dear children, hello dear parents. My name is Miss Dasha and I'm glad to see you on my channel today. Tell me, how are you today? Are you good? Are you okay? Are you great? Are you happy? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Say, I am okay, or I am hungry. Are you? Okay, great. Well, I am great, thank you. I am great and a little bit hungry. So today we are going to cook something. Are you ready to start our lesson? Say, yes, I am ready. Okay, great. So we are going to start in a minute, but before we start, if you like my videos, please sign up to my channel and leave your likes. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget, okay? Okay, great. So let's start. But first, I need to introduce you somebody. Look, who is this? Hello, children. This is a sheep. Say, this is a sheep. Hello, children. Hello, sheep. How are you today? How are you today, sheep? I am very hungry. I am starving. The sheep is very hungry. Okay, sheep, what would you like to eat? I would like to eat a salad. The sheep wants to eat a salad, so let's cook a salad. Would you like to cook a salad? Say yes, let's cook a salad. Okay, sheep, sit down. We are going to feed you in a minute. We are going to cook a salad for you. What do we need to cook a salad? Do we need a book to cook a salad? Do we need a book to cook a salad? Say, no, we don't. We don't need a book to cook a salad. Okay, do we need a pan to cook a salad? Say, no, we don't need a pan to cook a salad. Okay, do we need a bowl to cook a salad? Say, yes, we do. We need a bowl to cook a salad. Say, we need a bowl to cook a salad. Great, what color is this bowl? Is it black? Is it yellow? Is it green? What color is it? Tell me, what color is it? Say, it is green. It is green. Say, this bowl is green. Great, let's put it on the table. Say, put it on the table. Great, let's put it here. So, what else do we need to cook a salad? Let me see. Do we need a cat to cook a salad? Do we need a cat to cook a salad? No, we don't need a cat to cook a salad. I know. Do we need a cutting board to cook a salad? Do we need a cutting board? Say, yes, we need a cutting board to cook a salad. Okay, so bring your cutting board. Do you have a cutting board? Bring it here. Let's cook a salad. Let's put it on the table. Say, put it on the table. Great. Okay, what else do we need to cook a salad? Let me see. Do we need a knife to cook a salad? To cut our vegetables? Do we need a knife? Say, yes, we need a knife to cook a salad. Okay, great. Let's take a knife. Do you have a knife? Bring it here. Let's cook a salad. Okay, so let's start. Say, let's start cooking. Let's start cooking. Great. We need some vegetables to cook a salad. Yes, what do we need? Let me see. Look what I have. This is a cucumber. Say, this is a cucumber. Do we need a cucumber to cook a salad? Say, yes. We need a cucumber to cook a salad. Yes, we need a cucumber to cook a salad. Okay, what do we need to do with it? Do we need to squeeze it? Do we need to squeeze it? Say, no, we don't. We don't need to squeeze it. Okay, do we need to hide it? Do we need to hide it? Say, no, we don't need to hide it. I know. Do we need to throw it away? Do we need to throw it away? Say, no, we don't need to throw it away, Miss Dasha. What do we need to do? Ah, I know. We need to cut it. Do we need to cut it? Say yes, we need to cut it. What do we need to cut our cucumber? Do we need a spoon to cut the cucumber? Do we need a spoon? Say, no, we don't need a spoon to cut the cucumber. Let me see. Do we need a salt to cut the cucumber? Say, no, we don't need the salt to cut the cucumber. I know. Do we need a knife to cut the cucumber? Do we need a knife? Say, yes, we need a knife to cut the cucumber. Okay, so take a cucumber, put it on the cutting board, take knife and cut the cucumber. Say, let's cut it. Let's cut it. Okay, it's done. Look. Okay, so what do we need to do next? Say, put it in the bowl. Let's put it in the bowl. Great, the cucumber is there. What is the next ingredient for the salad? Look, what is this? This is a banana. Say, this is a banana. Do we need a banana to cook a salad? Do we need a banana to cook a salad? Say, no, we don't need a banana. No, we don't need a banana. Great. Do we need a carrot to cook a salad? Say, yes, we do. We need a carrot to cook a salad. What do we need to do with it? Do we need to squeeze it? Say, no, we don't need to squeeze it. Do we need to throw it away? Say, no, we don't need to throw it away. What do we need to do with it? Say, we need to cut it. We need to cut it. Say, put it on the cutting board. Take a knife and cut it. Say, cut it. Okay, it's done. Okay, say, put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. Great. Okay, what is the next ingredient? What is this? Say, this is an apple. This is an apple. Do we need an apple to cook a salad? Say, no, we don't need an apple to cook a salad. Okay, do we need a tomato to cook a salad? Say, yes, we need a tomato to cook a salad. We need a tomato to cook a salad. Okay, what do we need to do with it? Say, we need to cut it. We need to cut it. Say, put it on the board, on the cutting board. Take a knife and cut it. Say, cut it. Okay, it's done. Now say, put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. Okay, great. What is the next ingredient? Let's see. This is an eggplant. Say, this is an eggplant. Do we need an eggplant to cook a salad? Say, no, we don't need an eggplant. We don't need an eggplant to cook a salad. Okay, good. Now, what is this? This is a mushroom. Say, this is a mushroom. Do we need a mushroom to cook a salad? Say, yes, we need a mushroom to cook a salad. Okay, what do we need to do with it? Say, we need to cut it. We need to cut it. Say, put it on the cutting board. Take a knife. Say, take a knife. Say, cut it. Cut it. Great, let's cut it. I'm done. Look. Say, put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. Great, let's put it in the bowl. Okay, now what is this? This is a pear. Do we need a pear to cook a salad? Say, no, we don't need a pear to cook a salad. We don't need a pear. Okay, great. Do we need a radish? Look, this is a radish. Say, this is a radish. Do we need a radish to cook a salad? Say, yes, we need a radish to cook a salad. Okay, what do we need to do with it? Do we need to cut it? Say, yes, we need to cut it. Say, put it on the cutting board. Take a knife. Say, take a knife. Cut it. I am done. Are you done? Say, I am done. Let's put it in the bowl. Say, let's put it in the bowl. Great. Okay. Now, what is the next ingredient? Okay, look, what is this? Say, this is a corn. This is a corn. Do we need a corn to cook a salad? Do we need a corn? Say, yes, we need a corn to cook a salad. What do we need to do with it? Say, we need to cut it. Okay, let's imagine that we cut it, okay? Put it on the cutting board. Say, take a knife, cut it. Cut. Oh, chop. Okay, good. Say, put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. Okay, it's done. All right, what else do I have? Let's see. Wow, what are these? Say, these are lemons. These are lemons. Do we need lemons to cook a salad? Say, we might need a lemon. We can squeeze it, yes, for a dressing. Say, we can squeeze it for a dressing, yes? Let's squeeze it. Do you want to squeeze it? Say, let's squeeze it. Okay, let's squeeze it. Okay, squeeze it. Say, squeeze it. I squeeze it. Okay, great. The lemon juice is there. Okay, what else do I have? Oh, let's see. What is this? This is an orange. Say, this is an orange. Do we need an orange to cook a salad? No, we don't need an orange to cook a salad. We don't need an orange to cook a salad. Okay, let's put it away. Now, what do we need to do with this salad? We need to dress it. Yes, we need some dressing. Can we use an olive oil to dress the salad? Can we use an olive oil for the dressing? Say yes, we can use an olive oil. Okay, let's let's open it. Okay, let's add some oil. Say, let's add some oil for the dressing. Let's dress the salad with the oil. Okay, now what else do we need? Do we need some salt to dress our salad? Do we need some salt? Say, yes, we need some salt. Let's salt our salad. Say, let's salt our salad. Okay, take some salt. Let's salt it. Salt it. Say, salt it. Okay. Do we need a pepper to dress our salad? Do you want to add some pepper? Do you want to add some pepper? Say, let's add a little bit of pepper. Let's add a little bit of pepper. Okay, let's add a little bit. Okay, good. Now, do we need a ketchup for the dressing? Do we need a ketchup for the dressing? Say, no, we don't need a ketchup. We don't need a ketchup to dress a salad. Okay, so what do we do next? We need to mix it, yes? Can we mix it with a little spoon? Can we mix it with this spoon? Say yes, we can, but it is better to mix it with a big spoon, yes? So take a big spoon and mix our salad. Mix it. Say, let's mix it. Let's mix it. Smell it. Say, it smells good. It smells good. It smells delicious. Okay, great. Now, what else do we need to feed our sheep? Do we need a plate? Say, yes, we need a plate. Do we need a fork? Say, yes, we need a fork to eat the salad. Okay, so let's take a plate. Let's take a fork. So, mix the salad. Put some salad in the plate. Okay, oh. Okay, okay, good. Put some salad in the plate. Okay, sheep, your salad is ready. Say, your salad is ready. You can eat it. Say, you can eat it. Let's have some salad. Say, let's have some salad. Okay, sheep, eat the salad. it's delicious. It's yummy. It's delicious. It's yummy. Thank you, children. Thank you, Miss Dasha. Say, you are welcome, sheep. You are welcome. Sheep says, I am full. I am full. Say, the sheep is full. It is not hungry anymore. The sheep is full. Okay, great. So, this is it. We are done for today. Okay, now you need to clean up the table. Yes? Let's clean up the table. Okay, and you're done. Great job. Fantastic. So now you can go and feed your favorite toy. You can feed a sheep. You can feed a cat. You can feed yourself with a salad. Okay, great. So bon appetit, and I'll see you later. Bye bye. Say see you later. Bye bye. Bye bye.